In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails into Slack. We'll walk through setting up a Slack email address and then organizing things in Gmail so your workflow stays clear and consistent. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Slack in the search bar and open the official Slack website. Then sign in to your workspace. Once you're in the Slack app, look to the lower left corner and click your profile or workspace avatar. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This opens a panel where you can customize how Slack looks and behaves. In the Preferences panel, select Messages and Media. Scroll down until you find the option to bring emails into Slack. Click Get a forwarding address. Slack will generate a unique email address that routes messages into your workspace, typically to your direct messages with Slackbot or a destination you specify within Slack. Click Copy to copy that email address. Treat this address like any other private work email. Only share it with people or systems that should be able to send messages into your Slack, and remember you can regenerate it if needed. Next, open Gmail in a new tab. Click the gear icon at the top right to open the Quick Settings panel. Then click See All Settings to enter the full settings area. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, click Create a new filter. In the filter window, paste the Slack forwarding address into the To field. This tells Gmail to recognize any emails addressed to that Slack address, such as messages you manually forward or compose directly to it. Click Create Filter to move to the next screen. To help you keep track of these messages in Gmail, choose Always Mark it as important. Then click Create Filter again to save your changes. This doesn't change how Slack receives the email. It simply helps you flag these messages in your Gmail account so you can quickly find what you've sent to Slack later. From now on, whenever you want an email to appear in Slack, forward or compose it to the Slack forwarding address you copied earlier. You should see it arrive in Slack shortly, complete with the subject and body, making it easy to share context with your team or keep key information visible. If something doesn't show up, double-check that you used the exact forwarding address from Slack Preferences and that you're sending from an account allowed to email that address. And that's it. Your emails are now just a forward away from your Slack workspace.